count? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, don't throw it away. Hi guys!
Hi guys, me again.
The Curious Baby.
Baby.
And I'm the Curious Sister. And we are your friendly neighborhood unboxing curious family of Mansura. Yay! Yes, and we're back here for another unboxing video of our purchase from Modanisa. Modanisa again. Yes. Yes. And we ordered this when did we order? Last November 27. And we got it yesterday. Right? We got it yesterday. So how many days? 27, 28, 29, 30. Around 12 days, right? Okay. Around 12 days. So let's start. Okay? Open it. Give me. Let's start with this. Okay, let's start with this. This is from Ceylan Otantik again. Or we'll open that. We'll open both of us. We'll open. This is a dress from Ceylan Otantik. I love it because it's pink, of course. And I love the design. It's the layered, like dressy layered design. Look. Yeah, I hope this fits me. It's size 18. No, I ordered a bigger size because I discovered that Ceylan Otantik is smaller. So you should be ordering one size bigger than your normal size. So, it's so nice. Look, Lila, we should go for a picnic using this dress, and our picnic mat will be the same, also checkered pink. So this is checkered. Look. And it's nice. It has gartered sleeves. Oh no, it looks small, but the baby's crying. Okay, so this is a nice one. Next, what will we do? Oh, Lila already opened the green. This is nice. This one is cotton. The cloth of this is cotton. Material is cotton. And this one is green. Nice. It's also from Ceylan Otantik. I think we're gonna be patronizing this brand from now on because they got a lot of nice dresses. But this one, it's a straight dress. There's no waistline, there's no ruffles. Okay, so this one is a green dress that comes with a belt. Okay, so yeah, this will be good for the summer. It will also be good for fall. Yeah, because of the flowers. Okay. Okay. Okay, we're fine with this. Next one. Where's our next dress? Blue. No, this is a shawl. Let's do that later. This one na lang. I'll open that and I'll open another one. What's this? Yeah, the blue one, the blue dress. Open the blue dress. This is well, my favorite outfit is always a jumper. Here. Here. I love wearing this because, yeah, it's comfy and the hole is not enough. In the order, this is supposed to be, it's colored, in the website it says it's plum. It says it's plum, and in real life, well, to me, oh, it's again small. Is it small? Hope it's not. Okay, so, does it look like it's plum? It looks like a little bit lavender to me. Yes. Oh, the belt, another belt. So this is it, and you have to put something underneath. So this pajama of mine, the Jungkook BT21 cookie pajama, will fit into this dress. Okay? So I think I'll use this tonight. Okay. How about the blue one? Did you open it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So this is blue, and it's blue. It's light blue. In the website, the color is turquoise. Turquoise? Do you pronounce that turquoise? Yeah. So it looks like a cortina or a bed sheet, but I like it. I wanted the pink one, but it doesn't come in my size. They ran out of the big sizes, so I took the blue one. So I'll also have some blue dresses. This one is big, no? It looks big, but it's fine. And it's another one of those layered dresses. What is this? Do you call it layers? So yeah, summery. So we'll keep this for the summer, Layla. Okay? Summer.
Yeah,
Oh, so you opened it now. This one has a belt also. So this is a shawl. I bought this so it will have a matching hijab that goes with it. Yeah, because I don't have blue, so I bought blue. And this one is for your Ina. Again, it's not powder pink, it's fuchsia pink. No, don't carry it. Just keep it like that. We'll give it to your mama, to your Ina. The color, we ordered this as pink. So it turned out it's fuchsia pink. Okay, here's another one. Okay, and I'll open the red one. This is for our mama, grandma, or Ina. And ta-da! It's so nice. It's a tunic. I hope this fits her now. But it's still small. It's size 54. It looks still small. How come? But it's nice. It goes well with pants, white pants or black pants. And I love the ruffles. I love these ruffles on the dress. Gusto ko ng ganitong damit. And it has also some ruffles here on the sleeves. Okay.
How often?
So this is nice. The color of this is we ordered it in the website. Wait, let's check. In the website, it's red. So okay, so it's red. It's fine. It's correct. Okay, and the last one is what? Show me. Yeah, this one is supposed to be salmon. The color is salmon. So does it look like it's the color of salmon? Layla, look. Is it salmon? What color is this? What color is this, Layla? Ta-da! Okay. See? It's you? It's nice? Is it nice? Yeah. And this one is made of satin. It's not silk. Maybe it's satin. Yeah, it's nice also. And the ruffles is at the end. Or it's at the end of the sleeves. And here it's like a V-shaped ruffles. I picked this design. I hope mother likes this. Let's see. It's nice. Do.
Another one.
No more. So that's our last dress. So I hope you like them. And thank you again, Modanisa. We're not paid. Thank you for providing us our dresses.
Another one. Wait, there's another one. The baby.
Yeah, but this is for your mom. We're not gonna open this anymore. You wanna open it?
Yeah.
Okay, bye guys, and see you again in our next video. Don't forget to like. Come here.
Off.
Yeah, like,
Off.
subscribe, comment down below, and don't forget to click the bell button to notify you if we have another video. Bye.
Bye.
Let's post for the thumbnail. Come on.